So I've got a little job to attempt today. Let's get into it. Good morning. So this job is one that I've been thinking about doing for a while now. It's something which is not really a problem, but it's more of an inconvenience. And I've had a look on YouTube to see if I can find any videos on how to, and I couldn't find anything. So I thought I'd record this, and if it goes well, maybe I can show you how I've done it. This is my U-shaped seating area. It goes around the back of the van, and the two cushions on the sides fill in the middle bit to make the full length bed. And on the top of that I've got a mattress topper which is about 8 centimetres, and in the daytime I keep it folded back so that you can sit on it, and at night it comes over the bed to make a nice sleeping area. So the bed is a small double at the back, but as you come towards the front where the kitchen area is, there's a little dog leg here. When you fold the duvet cover over, it sort of rocks up around the corner here. So that's what I'm going to try and sort out today. Right, so let me make the bed and then I can show you what happens with the cover. There we are, there's the bed made. So here you can see the mattress topper comes down the side of the van. So you've got this big lump of excess mattress topper that you've got to try and tuck in around here, and it's okay, it's not an issue, but it's just kind of an inconvenience, especially if you get up in the night and you accidentally pull it, because it all pulls it out of that corner there, and you've got to try and tuck it back in the middle of the night. So next I'm going to take the cover off, and then I'm going to mark onto the mattress topper where the cupboard is. I've got a Sharpie to mark on there, and then I'm going to try and tailor it to fit around there. So this is the line that I've marked onto the mattress topper, and this would be the edge of the kitchen. Now because this has got like a box side to it, what I want to try and do is reverse it so that it fits around here. I'm going to cut a small slit in here to get my hand in. I've got some really sharp scissors to do this with. And first I'm going to cut off this elastic just so the mattress topper lies nice and flat. Next I'm going to cut the hole just big enough to get my hand and a pair of scissors in. I can start taking the wadding out from inside. I'm going to remove the wadding from the edge section first, being careful not to put the scissors right through and make a hole. Now I didn't want to cut the whole end off the mattress topper, because if it does go wrong for any reason, I can just put the stuffing back in and sew up this little hole. For the back edge of the wadding, I have to cut the edge where it's been stitched in, but the rest of it pulled out quite easily. And then next I carefully cut through the stitches into the next section, so I could start removing that too. And there we go, that's all the wadding removed, so now I can move on to the next bit. I took the edge of the box section and started folding it back along the new line to see if I could pin it in place so it makes it easier to sew. Then all the extra material I'm going to attempt to fold it inside so that it doesn't have to be cut off. Now I should just say at this point, I've never done anything like this before, so I'm pretty much making it up as I go. So I found in an old sewing box some white thread and some easy thread needles. Like these, you just pull the thread down through the top and it locks into place. Okay, so it's not the neatest job, but it seems to be working. I've got to the first corner, so I'm just going to sew backwards a little bit just to give it a bit of extra strength. I've turned the mattress topper over now, and I'm pinning up the other side ready to sew it up. And I've done the same on this side. Once I got to the corner, just went back on myself a little bit just to make it a bit stronger on the seam. Well, it's not perfect, but it kind of looks the right shape. Now it's time to do the longer edges, so I'm going to pin them up and try and tuck the excess material inside to make it neat. And now for the last seam. I think this is going to be the hardest one because it's the one that's got everything tucked into. And I'm not quite sure how, but I've ended up with too much edge, so I'm going to have to fold it back on itself a little bit. That's the overlap all pinned into place. Just the last corner to do, and again I go back on myself just to make sure it's nice and strong. Done. Well, there we go, that's the corner removed from my mattress topper. It's not the neatest job in the world, but I'm quite pleased with that. Okay, let's see if this is gonna fit. Oh. Wow, I've still got to put the cover on it, but that doesn't look too bad a fit to me. This is the corner that would never stay flat before. I think that's going to stay in place much better now. Right then, let's get the duvet cover on and get some lights on and see if this has worked. So that's the end of the bed there. Comes round the kitchen cupboard and up the side. It's a treat. And sorry if you can hear the rain as well, it's absolutely started hammering it down. It was sunny earlier, but no, it's decided to rain. Now I haven't cut the end off the cover yet. I'm going to use it just for now for tucking in and see how we get on. I can always do that another day. That fits pretty well. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed my attempt at sewing today. It's the first time I've done anything like that, so I don't think it's gone too bad really. It's not the neatest job in the world, but you can't really see it, can you? So I hope it's inspired you to give your little DIY projects a go. What's the worst going to happen? I will leave links in the description below for the mattress topper and the teddy fleece duvet cover. The mattress topper is a small double size and the teddy fleece duvet cover is a single size, and it fits on that perfectly, and they're so cosy and comfy, highly recommended. Thanks for watching. You take care and I'll see you again soon.